Chicken wings are marinated, deep fried, then coated in a wonderful spice base of onion, garlic, ginger, chili and chili paste, and spice powders and curry leaves with a hint of food coloring. You know you love chicken 65. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're going to be making chicken 65 wings. Chicken 65 has been incredibly popular on this channel. I've made several recipes using this very traditional recipe, but today we're going to be doing wings, and trust me, it's delicious. My younger son said this is next level chicken 65. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with the wings. If you're unsure how to take a wing apart, I'm going to very simply cut off the wing tip, and then I'm going to separate the ringette and the drumette. You can throw away the wing tip if you wish, but I usually save and freeze them to make chicken stock later. I have 2 pounds of chicken wings that I've already prepared. Add some salt to taste. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 egg, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to cook the wings. I have some oil heating up and I'm going to cook the first batch. These should take about 9 to 12 minutes. I'm deep frying these today, but you can also cook these in an air fryer or an oven. Once done, remove and drain on some kitchen towel. I'm going to continue to cook these wings in batches. Now for the famous 65 masala. In my wok or kadai, I'm going to heat up some oil. Add 1 cup of finely diced onion and I'm going to saute till translucent. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sliced green chili. Next I'm going to add half a cup of curry leaves. Followed by 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Next, I'm going to add the star of the show. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili paste or Sambal Oelek. I'm also going to add a pinch of red food coloring. I dissolve this in a little water and I'm going to add this in. This gives the chicken its famous red color, but you can omit the food coloring if you wish. Add the chicken back in and any of that leftover food coloring and toss to coat. Cook this a bit longer so the wings get a bit more color and add a bit more oil if required. This will help the masala stick to the wings. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chicken 65 wings. It's such a great recipe. If you make it for game night, you're going to be super popular. If you love this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment. I really love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care and happy eating. Bye.